Hi, welcome. My name is Nick Beckwith and I am going to be doing an unboxing for you today. Exciting collaboration between Blue microphones and World of Warcraft, Blizzard Entertainment. This is something that I'm super excited about as a streamer and a voiceover artist. So let's get into opening up the box and see what it is. See what we have. I actually cannot wait to start using this. I already use a Blue Yeti, so it's kind of like just a sweet upgrade for me. So box art's awesome. On the back you've got like the Shadowlands, like main launchery style picture stuff. And so it is the Yeti X professional streaming USB microphone with Blue Voice, which I believe Blue Voice is the voice changer and all of the like sound effects. And then on the side here, featuring World of Warcraft voice modulation and HD audio samples. So we can spam the Murloc sounds whenever we like. And it looks like they've got a little Horde and Alliance thing here as well. So I'm guessing there's a little bit of customization you can do in there as well. And looks like I wasn't prepared and need a knife to get into this. So I'll be right back. Okay. Let's do a really simple little cut there. Pretty sure that's it. Yeah, just the one piece of tape holding it all together. Oh, that new tech smell. Whenever you get like a microphone or a phone or like something like that, the smell is always like so good. Maybe I'm weird. Okay. Little black box. Let's close that up so it stays looking nice. We need that knife again. Yeti X World of Warcraft. Looks like it's just microphone information. It does have a little World of Warcraft symbol stuff at the top there, a logo. That part's not in English, so that's an easy. Foam. Always need foam. Oh man, oh this is so cool. This is so cool. I think I just literally just lift it straight out. Oh, that weight of it as well. Okay, yeah, this is beautiful. Holy moly. Okay, so first things first, the first thing I noticed was the World of Warcraft logo on the back there. And the color is sick. It's gold and like matte gray. That's actually so cool. And you can see around the base they have all these little runes. Kind of reminds me of like Ragnaros, like how in his Heroes of the Storm thing he's like got all the rocks around the base and each one has like a little rune stone on it or a little rune carving on it. That's actually really cool. And the base is really heavy as well, so it feels like it's going to be not moving an inch when it's on your desk, which is good for, you know, reducing all the vibrations and stuff if you ever like bump your desk. But the microphone itself, beautiful. Wow. And obviously the blue logo there in the middle as well, and on the microphone. I'm going to put that just there, and we'll see what other info that has for us in here. Okay, so this is the cable, micro USB that goes into the computer, and then that is an empty box, is it? Looks like there's something else in here. Pop that out. Wait, it is, well, one, more foam, and this is do not eat, silica gel. I should have known that was going to be in there as well. But yeah, well that's everything that's in the box. If you guys want to have a look at how this goes in action, I'm going to be using it on my stream. This is going to be replacing my my current Blue Yeti, as this is the Blue Yeti X, which is obviously like the fancy one. And you'll be definitely listening to me pump all these voice lines out. If you've ever been to my Twitch channel before, you'll already know that I am always doing all the voice lines and stuff from Warcraft, so it's totally like up my alley. Warcraft 3. Work, something need doing? I'd be happy to. More work? Rightio then. Like all those sorts of things are totally sound effects that I'm gonna use and utilize on my stream. So if you want to go and check out my Twitch, it's twitch.tv/Nick_Beckwith as well. It's seriously so, I can't stop looking at it. The gold on it is also like matte. It's like not too shiny and mirrory. So yeah, go check out my Twitch channel if you want to see it in action. And thank you for tuning in.